Hello, my lovely friends. It seems that peace is in short supply these days, and during this time I wanted to bring you one of my favorite recipes that I've been baking a lot lately, this lavender tea bread. It is delicate and sweet and has brought a lot of joy to those that I've shared it with, so I hope that this recipe allows you to bring some relaxation and light into your life as well. Let's get started. We're gonna start this recipe by making some lavender milk. And to make the lavender milk, you're going to need 3/4 cups of any milk of your choosing and 2 tablespoons of lavender. I live next to a garden that has fresh lavender in it, but if you only have dried lavender, that works perfectly too. In a small saucepan, I like to combine the milk and the lavender and whisk it gently just to keep it from burning. When the mixture starts to simmer, just take it off of the heat and let it cool while you mix your other ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and the sugar until you reach a smooth consistency like this. Now let's mix our dry ingredients. We're going to pour 2 cups of flour, the baking powder, and the salt. After that, just pour your milk and lavender mixture into the bowl and mix until well combined. Let's start by preheating the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you want to take a loaf pan and you can either grease it with butter or you can do what I'm doing and just line it with some parchment paper for easy cleanup. When the batter is poured, you can choose to leave it plain or you can add some chopped walnuts like I am and a little bit more fresh lavender. Now let's put this baby in the oven at 325 for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Now right before you take it out of the oven is the perfect time to make the icing mixture. For the icing, I don't really like to have a rhyme or a reason. Just mix some powdered sugar with either tiny teaspoons of water or tiny teaspoons of milk. Mix it together until the powdered sugar dissolves, and when you remove the bread out of the oven, let it cool for a moment before you pour the icing all over the warm bread.